Yeah, it's Corey's birthday card because it's his birthday tomorrow. His birthday is
December 12th. Preheat to 350.
You preheated to 100.
No, that's just what it's at right now. Step 6.
Mm-hmm. Step 6.
Order 7 parts.
Wait.
Mix cakes, mix water, oil, and eggs in a large bowl.
Can we just talk about why they're so cheap?
Are they cheap? How much
like
is it?
$4
Wow.
to make a cake. I mean, you have to have eggs, but I mean, it's not very much. Let me open it. Whoa, how'd I do that? Not my teeth. There's chocolate chips in here.
Is there?
Making it look
I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Just gonna crack an egg and see what happens.
I want to see how long it took for it to notice that.
You guys know your heads are cut off at the nose?
Sam, I don't like to read. What am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to crack some eggs in here, right?
Mix oil and eggs in large bowl of mixer. Wow, that was a lot of reading. Do it! Please. Sorry, that sounded a lot demanding.
Do it!
I mean, you're like...
Never mind, it's okay.
This is going to be shown in the class. Watch, this is going to be my reaction when they're going to show the... Oh, wait.
I'm just throwing these on my...
This video won't even be shown probably, because you're going to hopefully not show this one.
I'm just throwing these on my floor.
Yeah, no. You're wondering.
I mean, someone will pick it up.
Marie will. Oil.
You don't have vegetable oil, so I'm going to use whatever this
We're going to use Mountain Dew we put in there and make it look like it's oil.
Also, we dried it out to make it super thick.
Dried it out?
Yeah.
Wait, how much oil did it say?
I don't know, like half a cup probably.
Yeah. Corey, isn't that a cup of oil?
No, this is a half.
Is that half a cup?
This is half a cup.
Crap, that is a lot.
That's a big half cup, Corey.
No, that's just a lot of...
That's regulation right there.
We just used all that up. Oh, I was just saying, did we use it all up? I didn't say do it. Do it!
Wow, this looks very disgusting.
Does it?
I don't know. Kinda. Doesn't look like something I want to eat.
like when you like... Have you ever taken out the trash and just gross liquid at the bottom?
Yeah, that's what this looks like. Wow.
This is what it's going to turn out to be. Like,
I feel like to make this...
I got double garbage flavored.
What?
Double garbage flavored.
What are you talking about?
Cupcakes.
Oh, God. Sam, I told you last time. I prefer single flavor.
Single garbage. So it's that time of year again. Santa Claus is coming to everybody's houses. Well, how do you think that's going to go this year?
Well, I personally am taking security measures. If he breaks into my house one more time, I'm calling the cops. Is this a hair?
I'm going to test it. This is the first test.
Wow, gross! Does it taste like chocolate?
It tastes like cardboard.
Solid? My favorite.
I mean, what did we mix in it that would make it taste like that?
The oil?
It could have been a really old box there, you know.
I don't know. It's Cubbies. Not that anything wrong.
We have like a huge Cubby segment. Sponsor.
Cubbies sponsor us.
That's gonna be the beginning of my video. Nothing wrong with Cubbies or anything.
Oh, this is hot. How long are we supposed to bake it for?
Cupcakes, 14 to 19 minutes. Why is that such a huge gap? Usually it's like, 20 to, or like 18 to 20 minutes, but this is like a 5-minute gap, so don't mess it up. Well, we'll be back after the cupcakes are done.
The last thing you want in your burger. King Burger is someone's fuck. Yes. And as it turns out, that might be what you get.
Looks like Christmas came early this year. And I'm eating chicken.
Because those two things.
Move out of the way, punk.
Oh!
They're not, are they done?
I don't know, I'm gonna check.
Yeah. Hey, those look good. Except for one of them.
It looks like we got a tumor.
Which one doesn't look like the rest?
I mean, these two kind of got...
Wow, these two are like perfect.
Are you vague?
Ah, shish! Nancy?
Marie. You can't remember her name.
I knew, but I wanted to see this.
We're
Do
recording.
we have to let these
Marie.
cool?
Dude, frost them and stuff, yeah.
Well, I'm just wondering, because, I mean, there's, do we put them back in? Because even they're still, like, super, like...
Oh, yeah, put them back in.
Okay.
After they're done, they're gone. Corey.
The end!
Did you eat them? These, like, super clean wrappers that... You could still use those! Well, we have 5 left instead of 6. Can't make a half batch anymore with what we had left. Yeah, but that's work. Oh, Corey!
What? Time for taste test.
Our assistant Marie right now.
Wow, that
she's
tastes
busy.
like cardboard.
Doesn't that taste a little weird though?
Yeah, it tastes like expired graham crackers.
Yeah. You fork. No, it's a pencil.
Wow, this is gross.
It keeps eating. Don't put that back in the thing now. That's like a quadruple dip because he's been licking that thing the whole time. That's something just dripped from it.
Ah!
And that was like a spit drip.
This is gross.
Yeah, why are you eating it? It's probably gonna be good when it's cooked. As Marie once said, what isn't good at first will be good over time.
You know, that sounds like a good quote that you just made up on the spot.
Take that, Marie. Oh, we're getting a message from Marie on our phone.
We're getting a telegraph. You guys are doing a great job. Thank you for that.
Ooh, that smells really good. Now those do not. They smell like old graham crackers.
Ah, well, see, you gotta mask it.
Okay, Marie. We are gonna have you judge this and
Without tasting them,
or looking.
or smelling.
I meant not getting in the camera, but
You just get one finger and you get to poke them. These are fantastic cupcakes.
they are. Got a message from Marie.
Go away.
I can Dacarat one to see how I do.
No, you can't Dacarat one. You don't get to Dacarat
Oh,
one.
if there's an E missing, I mean.
Did you Dacarat that?
I did not. I can't make an E.
Okay, well, this has been a fun episode.
It's not over. She still has to judge it.
Well, I mean, she can't taste it.
I know, but she's gonna look at it.
Leslie, which ones look like the best to you?
Marie.
Shush. You're not allowed to talk.
Thank you, Marie too.
Well, I like. I like these ones the best.
Hey.
Those
Is
are
that
mine.
your final answer?
That is my final answer.
Yeah, I win.
We have to try them. We can't just end the video
Yeah,
without
okay.
trying them.
Dude, I will pay you $3 if you just stuff the cupcake, like do this on your cheek.
Really?
Yeah, I will pay you $3 if you do that. So you can go like,
Corey's gonna do it before me.
like a smiley face.
I want to eat them.
Well, just do one like that, and then I'll pay you $3. Like,
$3. Oh, tasty.
Well,
We've learned something today.
these aren't that fantastic, but the frosting is good.
Mm-hmm.
Sam, how's your new beard coming in, by the way?
The lesson of the day. Don't buy old cooking mix or whatever we did wrong.
Whatever, we did something wrong, I don't know what.